Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use get help examples to learn any PowerShell command in Windows 11. So let's start. How to access examples for a specific command. We have to first of all use of course get help. With this command we can access to the examples. Right now we have to specify the command that we want to display examples for. So we want to display examples of get process command like this. Process, and we want to display examples, so we have examples like this. We will press enter, and right now we will maybe go at the top of this terminal, and as you can see we have example number 1. Get a list of all running processes on your local computer. In PowerShell, you have to simply type in get process, and this command gets full list of all running processes on the local computer. For the definition of each display column, see the notes section. So this is how you can display examples. To see all properties of process, subject, use get process, get member, and so on, you can try it on your own. Example 2. Display detailed information about one or more processes. And you can just use this command get process, WinWord, Explorer, and format list. This is very important. And you have a lot of processes, a lot of descriptions, and this is how you can learn to use a command if you don't know how to use it. And I think one more thing that is very important, that you can actually use online examples. So we will do something like this: get help and get process and minus online. By doing this, we'll open automatically the browser, as you can see it is working, and we are getting the documentation of the get process command. And right now we have the section examples right there, and we can click on that. We now moved to the examples. We can close that, I think, yes. And here you have the examples, and these examples are the same, I think, as the examples in the terminal. So get list of all running processes, as you can see, get process. Display detailed information about one or more processes, example 2. As you can see, we have the command with WinWord and Explorer. And now get all processes with working set greater than a specific size. Again, we have it here, and the last maybe examples. The example number 10. We will go down here. It is right. This is example 9. Example 10. Get all processes that have a main window title and display them in the table. And this is exactly the same. So if you don't want to use terminal, if you want to use browser, I think this is more readable and a little bit nicer. You can use this command from there: get help, get process minus online, and it will also work. And that's all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.